please.
This is carrot. Carrot is useful for our eyes.
This is grape. Grape useful for lungs.
This is tomato. Tomato is useful for our heart.
This is ginger, and ginger is useful for our stomach.
This is walnut. Walnut is useful for brain. This is kidney beans. Kidney beans is useful for our kidney.
This is lemon. Lemon is useful for skin.